Hello everybody, I'm Regine Scholz and in the International Dialogue Initiative, IDI, I'm in charge for the trainings and for the workshops.
And I'm Jerry Fromm. I'm the past president of the IDI, and we are the faculty for an upcoming IDI workshop to which we cordially invite you to attend.
The title of the workshop is Large Group Identity, Societal Conflict and the Tree Model of Intervention. It will be held in person in Vienna, a city known for its beauty, its history, and, in recent years, its role in peacebuilding.
The IDI is a small group of professionals from different countries and different disciplines who study the psychology of societal conflict. Since 2017, we have offered a number of very well-received workshops.
This Vienna workshop includes lectures, case study, and reflection on members' experiences. We are going to explore the way that large group identity and its historical trauma form the underlying conditions for societal conflict, and how peacebuilding interventions can take these powerful psychological forces into account.
Past workshops have been extremely useful to people from many different professions: diplomacy, mental health, leadership coaching, organizational consulting, NGOs of various sorts, and academia.
This Vienna workshop begins at 1:30 p.m. Central European Time on Wednesday, October 16th, and ends at 5 p.m. on Thursday, the 17th. You can find a description of the workshop and a link to registration at the link below. Fee reductions are available for students and for multiple registrations from the same organizations. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to contact us directly.
We very much hope you will join us in Vienna for what we expect will be a rich set of conversations and very important learning.
I also want to add from my side a very cordial invitation to join us in Vienna.